Hey Rally Fighter fans, Kate here. I'm joined by Slick, one of our junior sourcing engineers at Loco Motors, and today he's going to give you the down low on the air conditioning unit in the Rally Fighter. So Slick, you're up.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on.
So this is a Generation 2 air conditioning system, which we're currently using. It's different from the Generation 1 air conditioning systems because we use an AirTech Pro Air unit, which is used in handicap conversion vans, and it's very powerful. It blows about 8,000 CFM out of the two ports here. The old Rally Fighters, the Gen 1s, used an aftermarket vintage air system, so it's kind of universal, and it blew a lot less, so we're getting like about 7 times more air volume moving using this unit, which is pretty great because our climate here in Phoenix is extremely hot.
Right, and the Rally Fighter is an off-road vehicle, especially for the desert, so a strong air conditioning unit is 2 thumbs up.
So what we did with this one is we are currently using flexible ducting underneath the dash, and we're going to get away from that with the new dash change. We're going to make the complete dash and bottom side of the dash out thermoform materials. The bottom side is going to have the air ducting cast into the thermoform. So we're going to design it probably in solid edge and use the CFD in solid edge to make the airflow even better than what it is now. We're losing about 50% of the airflow coming out of the dash through this ducting just because it's so.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is the Rally Fighter dash here.
And the Rally Fighter dash uses Ford vents off of like Ford cars and trucks and stuff like that. So we are sourcing parts off of different vehicles, so it looks nice and stuff like that. Each vent flows around 1,000 cubic feet per minute. We measure it using this, which is about it's really powerful. So like a Honda Pilot right now, SUV, flows about 800 cubic feet per minute. So Rally Fighter is better than most stock cars out there as is, but it has to be even better with the climate we have here.
So what other kind of improvements are you guys looking at with these AC units?
Just to get the restriction down, to ease assembly time, to reduce costs and make it better. So with the new thermoform dash and a better design for the ducting, I think we can get it pretty good.
Okay, well some of our viewers are AC enthusiasts. This is kind of their hobbies. This is what they do. On the weekends, they kind of tinker with this. Talk to those guys for a second.
So with the CFD design of the inside of the dash, we'll be able to design the air so it flows out each outlet evenly. And with the new condenser we put on, we went to a really large condenser in the front of the car, so we'll be able to get the heat out. So basically with the CFD and the combination new condenser, and we also put a new compressor in the car that moves a lot more Freon, and the new unit with the small fan should feel pretty good.
Great, thank you so much, Slick. So a little bit for the novice, a little bit for the expert there on the AC units of the Rally Fighter. If you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the Loco Motors YouTube channel by clicking on the conversation bubble, or if you're on a mobile device, you can just scroll to the comment section and click on the link there. If you're watching this video on Facebook, make sure you like our page and share it with your friends.